When you think of camper conversions, your mind probably goes straight to vans like the Mercedes Sprinter, Ford Transit, or Fiat Ducato, big rigs with plenty of room for living spaces. Rarely does the Land Rover Defender come to mind. After all, the Defender is known worldwide for its ruggedness, its reliability in tough terrain, and its role as a workhorse on farms and off-road tracks. But a company in Yorkshire, UK, has proven that the iconic Defender can also be transformed into a stylish, comfortable camper ready for long-term overland adventures. Meet Skafta, the first Defender-based camper from Brown Bird Defenders. Founded by Jacqui and Laura, Brown Bird Defenders is a spin-off of Brown Bird & Company Limited, a campervan outfitter established in 2020. While their background has largely been in Sprinter and VW-T6 conversions, the two women have always had a passion for Defenders. Having lived full-time in campers themselves, they know the practical details that make small-space living truly work. Skafta is their personal project, designed both as a daily driver and as a long-haul overlander that blends functionality with comfort. Launched in January 2025, Skafta is based on the Land Rover Defender 110 and perfectly embodies the balance between rugged capability and refined living. On the outside, it looks every bit the adventure rig. The centerpiece is the Alu-Cab Icarus pop top, made of aluminum with durable gas struts for all-weather reliability. This pop top not only provides standing room, but also an additional sleeping space. Skafta is equipped with essential Overland upgrades: a winch bumper, snorkel, laser light bars, BFG KO2 all-terrain tires, a rear door wheel carrier, an Alu-Cab shadow awning, a front-runner roof rack, and cargo rails for added storage. Step inside and the Defender's rough character gives way to warmth and elegance. The handcrafted oak kitchen is the centerpiece, featuring live-edge Pippi oak countertops, brass hardware, and copper accents. Despite the limited space, the kitchen is designed for practicality, with a hidden Ventrafrigo fridge, an induction hob, ample cabinetry, and even the option to cook outside with a portable gas hob. Opposite the kitchen is a camel-colored sofa that converts into a bed, offering generous seating for four and plenty of hidden storage. The pop-top adds a mezzanine bed measuring 2.4 meters by 1.25 meters, complete with reading lights, USB-C charging ports, and ceiling lighting. Elevated, it creates comfortable headroom inside the vehicle, making cooking and movement easy. Brown Bird Defenders didn't stop at aesthetics. Skafta is well prepared for all seasons and off-grid adventures. Insulation comes from Celotex foam board, spray foam, earth wool, and vapor barriers, combined with an auto-term diesel heater for warmth. For power, Skafta uses a robust setup, a 230 amp-hour lithium battery, 250 watts of solar panels, and a full Victron system, including chargers, solar controllers, and distribution units. This ensures reliable electricity for extended journeys away from campsites. Skafta is more than just a conversion. It's a lifestyle statement. It proves that the Defender, known for its durability and capability, can be reimagined as a home on wheels without losing its adventure DNA. From muddy tracks to narrow lanes, this camper can go places where many larger rigs would struggle. Yet once parked, it transforms into a cozy retreat with modern comforts and handcrafted charm. Ultimately, Skafta represents a new chapter in camper design. Rugged exploration fused with contemporary luxury. For those who want a vehicle that works as hard off-road as it does at camp, this Defender-based camper might just be the perfect answer.